And now the update. So right after that video that I shut down, saying that I had to take the kids to school, I took a trade pretty quickly after that video, and I had until 8:40. That's what time that I have to go get the kids, packed up and ready to take them to school. So, seeing this beautiful price action, which is what I love to see, we're over VWAP. Everything was good about this, looking beautiful right here for a break of the whole dollar. So that's the trade that I took. And then I was sitting in it and had to cut losses at 680. The reason why I had to cut losses now, after that, you can see for the next 6 minutes, it held at that level. This is what is so frustrating about trading part-time, with a lot of things going on. You have to be totally focused and be at the computer with very little distractions around you. And it's just simply not the case when you're trading part-time. And if you are trading part-time out there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But, $200. Is it the end of the world? No. Is it disappointing that the move ended up happening, while I was getting the kids ready for school? Yeah. And I didn't see that until I came back to the screens a little while ago after, coming back home. And, it is what it is. But this was the trade that I took, the break of the whole dollar. It was on some nice, price action. Level 2 was looking good. And then we started to see those rejections, of course, right? Right after I get in for the break of 7, now it can't break 7. And we set up a very nice, bull flag here. Sort of a bull flag, more or less. A nice little wedge breakout there. And with a nice base here where I cut losses. I'm always going to cut losses because that's what you have to do. Now, this could have very easily rolled over, and that's just hard to tell. Now, looking at the market now, you can see this is coming into this resistance area. This was the area that I drew out on our daily chart. So if we look at the daily chart here, this is what I had drawn out, and we're coming right back up into that resistance level, which, I know a lot of traders are going to be looking at that, and a lot of shorts may try to jump right here. Now, this is the 4th time we're coming up. The more times you hit a resistance area, there's more of a chance that there's a possibility to break it. Now, 3 times, that means that that is a level that is very relevant. And shorts are definitely going to be taking positions here. So you can see a squeeze. Now, that's why I liked this stock to begin with. It was one of the most shorted stocks, at the moment right now. And you can see here we have some blue sky setup, a lot of good stuff that we love to trade. And, just watching this go right into this level, seeing if it could break it. If it could break that and then 8, that would be even better. But, I'm out of this now. My time was there. It didn't happen for me. Now, here's the key here. Now, do not ignore the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart is huge. I take my trades on the 1-minute chart, but I am always monitoring the 5-minute chart. Now, look at this setup right here. This was a break and the first 5-minute candle to make a new high after the pullback. That was your trade right here. This was a good trade from 680s to 720. So, I'm looking for 10 to 20 cents a move. You know, if I could get more, great. If not, so be it. But that was the trade right here. And then you can see how you have to be quick on these trades, because then it just rolls over back to support and then started up in the regular session. But, you know, just going right up to this resistance level. So it's having trouble here. You know, we'll see what happens with it. Maybe it breaks. If you're long, I hope it breaks for you. And we get that short squeeze, which would be nice. This could really move. But, you know, it's unfortunate that, you know, maybe I shouldn't have taken the trade knowing that I was going to have to be leaving. But my trades are usually quick. So if I had 10 minutes to trade, it should happen then. And, you know, maybe I was a little bit early to it here. But the break of 7 was what I was doing. And, you know, you can see here it hit a high of 780. Not that I would have just, you know, held all through this, but that was the play. That was the stock. That was a good trade idea. Didn't work out. They don't always work out, and it is what it is. So that was the update for you guys. $200 loss, and yeah, that's it. So we'll see you guys back tomorrow with another video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.